Hi everyone from nursery. It's Laura and this is Paige. Say hello, Paige.
Hi.
And we thought we'd do some phonics with you today. Paige is really good at phonics, so she wanted to help me today. Okay. Now some of you have done this before and some children haven't done it before. So it's a bit of a recap for some children and some children it's like something brand new. Okay. So we're going to learn a letter sound today. All right. And this is it here. Okay. The letter is S. Can you say that? S. But the sound
is.
I really like what Paige is doing. She's doing this with her hand like a snake because the sound makes a so but Paige is snake along with us to practice the sound. Are we ready? Again.
Snake.
Again. Well done. And snake begins with let's say it together. Snake.
Snake.
Again. Snake. It begins with the sound. Put that in your thinking box. Okay. Now Paige has been looking all around the house, haven't you, Paige?
Yeah.
For things that begin with. Shall we have a look what she's found in her basket?
Yes.
Okay, so watching Paige.
I brought a star.
Let me show it to the camera a bit closer. It's a
Star.
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 Again. Star. Let's see what else there is.
And some scissors.
Well done. Scissors. Say it together. Scissors.
And some soap.
Soap. Again. Soap.
And a sock.
Sock. Again.
Sock.
Sock. Let me have a look at that page. It's a smelly sock. Say it together. Smelly sock.
Some sausages.
Let's say it together.
Sausages.
Sausages. Sausages.
And some sand. Sand.
Well done. Is that everything in the box?
Yes.
Okay. So in Paige's box, all things that begin with. Let's have a look. Ready? Sausages. Scissors.
Stinky.
Smelly sock. Soap. Star. Sand. Sand.
Snake.
All begin with. Oh, Paige, keep that snake round your neck. I've got a fun song for us to listen to. Will you help me sing it?
Yes.
Ready? On my iPad. Oh, and on my iPad I can see snake. Are we ready?
My Australia snake.
Right, Paige, you ready to join in?
Yep.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. That was great singing. Well done. Right, let's put all our things back in the box. So we've got the star, soap,
smelly sock,
sand, scissors, sausages,
snake.
and the snake. Don't think he'll fit in the box.
Wow.
Right, get your paper, Paige, and I'll get my board. Put it on the ground. The next job is to practice writing. Okay, so watch Laura. This is my board. I'm going to open my pen. Watching. Ready? So we're starting at the top. And we're going to go round and back again to make the sound. I'll rub it out and we'll try again. Paige, do you want to have a try on your paper this time?
Yeah.
Ready? So start at the top and go round and back again. Well done, Paige. You can draw it on the floor. Try here. Want to show all my friends? See if you can have a go at home.
Yeah, practice on one whole page.
I sometimes think it's hard writing it on the paper, so you might want to try with your magic finger first.
Yeah.
Watch Laura. Again. Again. And when you've got that, you can have a go at writing it down. Well done, everyone! We learnt our new letter sound. Remember, put it in your box. Okay, well done. Good looking and listening. Shall we say bye?
Bye.